Collaborating with fellow creators can significantly enhance your reach and impact. Here are the key strategies to maximize the benefits of such partnership. So, first of all, choose your platform. If you're planning to use uh, Instagram or Twitter or Telegram to collaborate with certain creators, just go ahead and do that, right? First, align objectives and values. Ensure that your goals and values align with potential collaborators to create authentic and cohesive content. Next, go and talk with the creator, okay? So I'm gonna just go in, let's say example, I'm gonna select this person, right? Anwar. Let's say we are aligned in terms of producing a comedy content, right? Leverage cross promotions. Utilize each other's platforms to share content, effectively doubling your audience reach. So you're gonna message Anwar, for example, and you're gonna tell him, "Hey, I was planning to discuss business idea with you or collaboration idea with you, and possibly collaborate with each other in the future. Hit me up for more." Okay, engage in co-creation. Collaborate on content creation to blend unique strengths and perspectives, resulting in more engaging material. Lastly, maintain clear communication. Establish open and transparent communication channels to ensure smooth collaboration and mutual understanding. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively expand your audience and amplify your content's impact through successful collaborations. So let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.